Hey, what's up guys? We are back here with a new video. Thanks so much for tuning in. What I'm going to do after not posting for 4 months. Okay. I'm going to make an acai dish. They sell these at this place called Playa Bowls, and that's like $10 for like 1 cup of just acai, granola, strawberry, banana. That's $10. And you can add like a Nutella drizzle on top for like $5 extra. And at home you can make like 10 of those for like the same price. It's so much more worth like homemade. So what I'm going to show you today is how to make it, how to create it, and guess what, it's delicious. Just kidding, I haven't tried it yet. So don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos, and hit that like button. It's gonna be... Let's get started. Make it listed here below. Okay, where's the... Frozen? Alright, so now that it's ready, I can taste this. Taste test this. That's really good.